Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Last Friday I read you Hoppy and Alice's Easter. That book is available on Google Classrooms and you should definitely try to get a hold of it and print it if you can. That way you can color the pictures and you can also do the math problems in the back. I'm going to do the math problems today. If you have your book printed out, you can follow along with me, and even if you don't, you can still do some mental math or work on a piece of scratch paper. The directions for the first problem say, Hoppy found 12 eggs. Alice found 16 eggs. How many eggs did the rabbits find together? This word problem does have a keyword, which is together. That keyword tells us to add. So I'm going to go ahead and write out 12. That's the number of eggs that Hoppy found. And I'm going to write 16 underneath it. So I've written the numbers vertically so that the ones column and the tens column are aligned. Now I'm going to make my addition symbol, draw a horizontal line underneath. I'm going to start by adding the ones column. 2 plus 6. I pulled out my ruler so that I would have a number line. I'm going to put my pen on the number 2 and I'm going to move my pen forward 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on the number 8, so 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Over in the tens column, we have 1 plus 1. I don't really need my number line for that. I'm just going to go ahead and write a 2. So the answer to the problem is Hoppy and Alice found 28 eggs all together. The next problem says Alice had 14 blueberries. She ate some. Now she has 6 blueberries. How many blueberries did Alice eat? There are no keywords here, but there are still different strategies we can use to solve the problem. The first is drawing a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and start by drawing Alice's 14 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It says that she ate some. It doesn't tell me how many she ate, so I can't really do anything there. But it does say that when she's finished eating, she has 6 blueberries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and circle 6 blueberries. These are the blueberries that she has once she's finished eating, which means these must be the blueberries that she ate. So I'm going to go ahead and count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by drawing a picture, I'm able to find out that Alice ate 8 blueberries. I'm going to show you another strategy you can use to solve this exact same problem, which is using a math sentence. So I start with 14 blueberries. That's what Alice has. And then it says she ate some. If she's eating them, that is subtracting. I don't know how many she ate, so I'm just going to leave that blank. I know that once she's finished eating, she does have 6 blueberries left. And here's how I solve this using my number line. I'm going to start at the number 14, and then I'm going to move backward until I get to the number 6. However many times I move my pen between the number 14 and the number 6, that's the missing number. That's the number that belongs in the blank. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm stopping here because I'm at the number 6, and the number of times that I moved my pen was 8. So we could solve by drawing a picture, we could solve by creating a math sentence, but either way, we'll come up with the same answer, which is 8. Problem number 3 says, there were 6 pink eggs, 7 blue eggs, and 4 green eggs. How many eggs were there in all? So I'm going to use a math sentence to solve this. You could also draw yourself a picture. I'm going to write out the 6 pink eggs. Keywords in all tell me to add. So I'll add the 7 blue eggs as well as the 4 green eggs. Addition is not like subtraction. In subtraction, you're only allowed to work with 2 numbers at a time. In addition, you can have an unlimited number of add-ins. So right here I have 3, but I could add 4 numbers, 5, 6, 100, 1,000. There's really no limit to the number of add-ins that you're able to have. What I like to do to kind of make my life a bit easier is I just start by adding the first two numbers. And the first two numbers are 6 and 7. So I'll start at 6 and move my pen till I have moved 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm at the number 13, so I'll go ahead and write a 13 up here. Next, I need to add 13 plus 4. I kind of adjusted so I could see the part of the number line that I needed. So I'm going to start at the number 13 and I'm going to move my pen forward 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at the number 17, which means that 17 is the sum. And that's how many eggs that were found in all. The last problem says, Miss Noel bought 4 packs of Easter eggs. There were 5 eggs in each pack. How many eggs did Miss Noel buy altogether? Now the keyword altogether does tell us to add. However, it's not telling us to add 4 plus 5. If we did that, we would end up with 9, and I got far more than 9 Easter eggs. We can use this picture to help us. Here are the 4 packages of Easter eggs, and inside of each package, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs, just like the problem describes. So what we can see is that we're not adding 4 plus 5. What we're actually adding is the number 5 4 times. So we're adding 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And I'm just going to count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. So the total number of Easter eggs was 20. And if you're a person who was ever in my 3rd grade class, you might know that this is not only an addition problem, it can also be expressed as a multiplication problem. We could say that this is 4 groups of 5, which is equal to 20 in all. I hope that you enjoyed doing the math problems, and definitely check out all of Hoppy's books in our Google Classrooms Drive. Bye for now.